Welcome. In front of me I have CAT S61, and today I'll show you how you can check number of apps opened each day. So we have to simply open the settings, scroll down and move for digital wellbeing, click to show our data, tap on unlocks, and you have to go for the times opened. When you scroll down you can find how many times each app were opened. For example, we opened settings 6 times, Google 7. You can go back for other days. So yesterday the settings were opened 64 times, and you can also go for other weeks by swiping like that. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.